Here are my Zen Garden Cuffs. Here's a cape that I will be publishing at some point here, and it has the collar made of the Zen Garden design. So here we have Judy's Magic Cast-On, which is how all the mitts begin. By the way, how the cape also begins. I'm going to knit up to the first marker, marker A. Slip the marker. And now here's how you get started. You purl one, and then you knit one below. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. There's the stitch we would normally knit into. You're not going to knit into that. You're going to go into the space below. See, here's the purl bump of the cast-on. Just go right down there. Go through, pull the yarn through, and take everything off. As you do, the purl bump collapses behind and looks like a knit. Purl the next one, knit one below. See, there I go. Don't forget to take the whole thing off. Then purl one. So we're alternating knit one below and purl one. There's an odd number of stitches between the needles so that we can end with a purl one. Then I will pass marker B and knit to the end. Row 2 on the wrong side is simply knitted all the way across. So here I am again. I just completed the wrong side row. So I'm going to knit up to the marker A, and then you will see something alarming. Purl bumps all the way across, but isn't that what we started out with the cast-on? So it's not a problem. We do the exact same thing. There are only 2 row pattern rows. Purl one, knit one below. The result is that we don't see any purls except in between the knits. I'm going to do one more wrong side row and then a right side row, because then you'll start to see it really coming into visible. Garter stitch, and then the Zen Garden in between. It's that easy.